Oh, that's a big one. Look. Not big, not big. What?
He's a pretty good size, yeah. There's 4 of them.
They'll wiggle their way up.
Yeah, yesterday there was just 2, but then one took off up there. He found another girl. He's like, oh, I'm going up here. Oh, yeah, get in there, buddy. Get you some. Way more active when it's less sunny like this.
Yeah.
As soon as they get a little more water in here. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I saw a couple climbing up the falls down there the other day. That's why I was like, well, there's a good stream bed here. It's a good spot. Good spot to lay eggs. Yeah, that's why you can tell all the algae's cleaned out of that whole area. They've been rutting up through there. There's probably just loaded with eggs. Yeah, magnificent creatures.